All right, today I'm going to show you how to remove stubborn stains from clothing. Right here I have my sweatpants, and I have, looks like some blueberries on here, as well as some dirt on here, and it's ground in deep in there. So it didn't come out with the normal wash, so I have something to assist with the problem, and that is Tide Ultra Oxi. This is good for all fabric. It is a stain remover. It's good for clothing, carpet, upholstery, pet stains, etc. It is the new all-in-one stain solution. Now, when you use this to get this stubborn stain out, it says that you turn the nozzle. Let's go ahead and turn the nozzle, and then spray stain and rub in. You wait 5 minutes and then wash with detergent on the warmest, safe setting. Check before drying. Repeat if needed. All right, so what I'm going to do is right here, I turn the nozzle, and I've located the stain on my sweatpants right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and spray it. So there's a stream setting, and then there's a spray setting on that. So you might want to take note of that. There's a spray and a stream. I'm going to use the spray setting where it expands as you spray it rather than a stream. All right, so I'm going to spray this right here. So I've sprayed the entire section right here, got it completely saturated on this area that has this stubborn stain on it. And then the directions say on it to rub it in. So I have this right here. So I'm going to take the stain and I'm going to rub it in like this. Rubbed it in, and I'm going to wait 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, like the Tide says, you wash it on the warmest setting possible for this particular garment, and then the stain should be done or removed. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to wait 5 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it on the warmest setting, and then we're going to check to see if the stain came out. Stay tuned. So the stain came out. There's some remnants of the stain in there, so I probably should have left the solution on there a little bit longer. I'm going to do it one more time to get it out, and that should get it out. But that's how you get a stain off of clothing. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot.